I'm Darth Malgus, and we're back for another video. This one, I'm having a lot of computer problems, computer problems, I guess you should say. So, I can't upload the video, but I can upload this little snippet, and I'm going to have a link in the description, or down in the description of the video, to the video. So, yeah, I'm having problems getting I have a new editor, so until I get this figured out, all my videos, or some of my videos, might be something like this, and then a description link, until I can figure out with my editor how I'm supposed to do this. So, yeah. Oh, and comment below I have a question for you all. Comment below on what your favorite animal is, mythical or non-mythical. Have fun!